Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to the Japan Study Center. Today we are going to see the chapter of geography and what is our topic today? The petroleum here is an important topic. The petroleum has often been to call liquid gold because of its value on our modern civilization. Our agriculture industry and transport system depend on the petroleum is a several ways. There is the most important area of petroleum. Petroleum is also called to the gold because their use of is agriculture and industry and transport system here. Petroleum there is a crude is a petroleum is a mixture of combustible as a hydrocarbon in a solid, liquid and gaseous form. There is important here the crude petroleum is a mixture of combustible hydrocarbon is a solid, liquid and gaseous form. Petroleum products use of fuel, lubricant, material for the manufacturing of the synthetic derivatives and chemical required in industries. Petrol, kerosene, diesel, detergent and here a synthetic fiber, plastic, cosmetic sector are important product of derived from to petroleum. You know that petroleum is a many product here. There are petrol, kerosene, diesel, detergent, synthetic fibers, and plastic, cosmetic, and etc. They're important product, and there is a form of petroleum. There is an important point. The next here distribution. The distribution here petroleum occurred in the anticlines and fault traps. In India is found in the sedimentary rock formation. Most of such as area lies in the Assam, Gujarat and offshore area along the western coastal. That is important. The entire protection of India till today is comes from the Assam belt. Gujarat is a combines the belt and the Bombay High. The Assam belt is extended from to the Dehangal and the basin in the extremely is the northern east of Assam along the outer flank of hill ranges forming the eastern border of Batra and Surama Valley. There is an important here. The Gujarat is a Kambai is a belt extend from the Mehsana Gujarat in the northern to the continental shelf of the coastal right up to the Ratnagiri is a Maharashtra in the south. It is a covered by Mumbai High, which is the largest producer of petroleum in a country. There is important here. It's a cover Mumbai High, which is the largest producer of petroleum in a country. In Assam, the oil producing area is located in the Lakhimpur and the Sivasnagar district. There is important here. It's a cover to Mumbai High, which is the largest producer of petroleum in a country. In Assam, the oil producing area is located in the Lakhimpur and the Sivasnagar district. The oil well is localized mainly around the Devois is an Nahrakatia and the Sevagar as the Rudra Sagar. In the Gujarat is the oil producing area cover of Vadodara, Broch, Kheda and the Mehsana and the Surat district. Recently petroleum reserve and the discovered in the state of Rajasthan covering to the major area of Bikaner, Baremar and the Jasmer and the gas has been to discover along the eastern coast of the Godavari and Krishna belt is deltas. The productivity of area lies of a Bay of Bengal, which is a cover to the coastlines along the state of West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Andaman and Nicobar Island. There is a most important state here, the production of petroleum. Important point in this box, there is the most important petroleum occur in the anticlines and fault traps. This is important here. Petroleum occur in anticline and fault traps. In India, it is found in the sedimentary rocks. Most of such area is lies in the Assam, Gujarat and off the shore area along to western coastal here. There is a petroleum, kerosene, diesel, detergent, synthetic fiber, plastic, cosmetic sector are important product derived from to the petroleum. There is a most important point here. Petroleum product are used in a fuel, lubricant, material from the manufacturing synthetic derivatives and chemical required in industries. That is the most important here the map. There is the most important map coming here. In this map, the petroleum product here show in this is an important part. There is an important is a Kata A Kasumbo is the most important here Bombay Highway, the petroleum product area, and there also here Arunachal Pradesh side, Assam side, their production is most important. Digwai and the Sivasagar, and there is a Marans as the most important sport of production of here petroleum. There is the most important in this map show the mainly here the two side, the Assam side and Gujarat side there is a production of petroleum here. As the most important also here the exam view there is all it's important you remember that only two side here petroleum product here found there is a Assam is a Arunachal Pradesh side and next year there is a Gujarat side. There are Gujarat and some part of Mumbai also show in your map. Here the show the most important India petroleum permeable area. You know that is a petroleum permeable area is a mostly found all over the India and there are also sea here. There is important area is found here. The main productivity here are there are produce based on the commercially product of oil and gases here is a important the sea of the Arabian Sea side and there are important standing line that are shown in a maximum side in the Bay of Bengal, Calcutta and the important part. And slanting line here show the basin of with the no significance oil and the gas shown here sleeping line here. Sleeping line also mostly a Kerala side. There is important here Kerala side and there are other is here. Slanting line here show the basin with the uncontained prospect. This is the maximum the Gujarat and the other side. This is important for the permeable area on India. There are petroleum here. They are most important in this map. Here show the most important production of the crudely petroleum in India. You know that 1960-61 there is a petroleum product a million ton of 0.5% only. But increasing on 1970-71 there are 6.8 million ton. And next year 10 year after the 1980 to 81 there is a 10.5 is a million ton and the next 10 years after is the 90 to 91 there are 33 is a million ton and 2000 and 2001 there is a 32.4 but there is a reduce on here or 2005 to 05 there is a 0.2% is a decreasing. There is the most important here production of crude of petroleum in India. There is the most important